Hey guys and gals, welcome to Soul Sniper. So if you guys are looking for the fastest and best way to snipe these meme coins for profits as they are launching, this is the tool to do so. So I'm going to show you guys how to use this, and I'm going to be doing a live trade. Before you guys run the bot, we must set it up, and we're going to go on over to the buy and sell settings. Click that, and just to get our feet wet, test everything out, we're just going to use a minimum amount of 0.05. You guys could use whatever amount you want to use here. The priority fee, I'm just going to leave it at the 0.001, and for the slippage, which controls the acceptable price change, I have mine set to 50 by default, but the bot always aims for the lowest possible. So I'm just going to scroll down a little bit. So now as far as sell in, our take profit, I'm just going to leave mine at 50%. And right here, stop loss, protecting your Solana, I'm going to leave mine at 20%. And for the slippage, I'm also going to leave my slippage at 50%. And that's just because I want to guarantee that I can get out of this trade. As far as the timeout goes, I'm going to leave mine at 60 seconds. And this is basically if the take profit or the stop loss doesn't match, I could sell after 60 seconds. Priority fee, I'm going to leave it at 0.001. And trailing stop is a little bit of an advanced feature, but it's basically if the price moves up, the stop loss moves up with it. And as far as use your own RPC goes, this is for advanced users who have private nodes, so they can paste their own HTTPS RPC endpoints. Usually, I would just leave mine off. So before we hit run the bot now, we want to check out the safety features. This is actually super important, so let's click this. So for the top 10 holders, mine is currently at 25. I'm just going to bump it up to 30 right there. And for the bundled max, this is the maximum bundled percentage we can tolerate. Bundled means that devs bought at the exact same time as he launched token. So this is not a red flag immediately, but percentage of bundles does matter. So let's just go ahead and put bundled max to 20%. And as far as max same block buys, it's the maximal number of the buys in the same block when the token is launched. Many same block buys might indicate insider trading, so I'm just going to put mine at 20. And remember, you guys can increase or decrease these numbers to your likings. Safety check period, I'm just going to leave mine at 10 seconds. And as far as all these check boxes go, I'm just going to leave all of these empty. And I'm only going to check this one right here. Only tokens migrated from pump.fun. And the reason for that is it covers the majority of filters that I just left unchecked. Let's go. Right over here, we got a message. It says bot started sniping new tokens according to your settings. So right now we have some action going on. I have some messages popping up here, and what it's basically doing is skipping a lot of the garbage. Remember we talked about that is avoiding the rug pulls. That's a bot that's working for us. I'm doing nothing. I'm not manually trading. It's all automated. So I'm gonna pause the video again, and we'll be back when it actually finds something good. So I just copied one of those skipped token addresses, and right now on rug check XYZ, and I'm just gonna paste that skipped token address in here, and we're just gonna check it out. And it says danger right here, so that's a good thing. Soul Sniper is correctly flagging these scams. All right, so we are in a trade right now, and this thing is working awesome. Look at this. We could see the profits moving live. So wow, let's see if we can expand this a little bit. Look at this. I'm up 11% on this thing. This is crazy, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. I know we received a big dump right there. Could be just somebody selling, taking profits. Wow, look at it. See, wow. I mean, that's how markets work. We go up, we pull back, we go up, we pull back. Whatever, let the bot do its thing. Let's chill out. What I want to do is see if I could open one of these on Dex Screener to see what is going on here. See if I could pull it up. All right, so and we're on the 1 second chart right here. All right, so looks like we sold and we're all out. That didn't do anything. The bot did everything. But what I want to do is I want to pull this up on Dex Screener because I know that's what everyone is familiar with. Okay, and double click on this. Start doing some zoom action. Alrighty. So it looks like I'm just going to draw some lines right here. So it looks like we bought in this area right here, or the bot bought. in this area right here, and we sold in this area right there. So wow, I mean, I should have sold up here, but that was probably my settings. So I just wanted to do some test settings here. So I'm super excited to like really get into this, and I'm going to be making some more videos on Soul Sniper and how to really dial in and use this going forward. Like I said, this was just a test video. You guys can customize the settings to how you like and set it up the way you guys want to set it up. I'm just going to go ahead and stop this bot right now. So I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this Soul Sniper tutorial video. I hope you guys can get started today. We'll see.